Yes, what's up, money makers? Welcome back to the Anonymous YouTube channel. So guys, let's try analyzing some pairs and we see what today has for us. So currently guys, what you are seeing, this is the DXY, and guys, let me give you this trick. Whenever you're going to trade a pair, always first check its index. So this is the DXY. So if we are to trade Euro USD, GBP USD, ZAR USD, and USD. For Euro USD, first come and check the DXY and you see what is the DXY currently doing. So if DXY is another name for the dollar, if you see that the DXY is buying, expect the Euro USD to sell. You get my point? If the dollar is buying, expect the GBP USD to sell. You get my point? So guys, whenever you are going to trade, always first check and see what's the dollar doing. So if the dollar is buying, expect the USD to buy, expect the USD CAD to buy. So whatever that starts with USD, expect it to buy. So guys, let's try analyzing these pairs and we see what they have for us for today. So guys, currently we see here the DXY is buying, and I gave this setup in the Telegram group. This one, let me show it to you. It was some fundamentals and employment news which happened on Friday. As I promised you, I will be breaking down these fundamentals, leaving nothing. So these were news and I provided these setups. Those that remember. So let's try analyzing and we see. So here we currently see DXY was in a downtrend, but later on we see price trying to change movement. So here it did the same stuff here and tried to break the previous swing high, but it proceeded up. Guys, let me tell you why this price proceeded down. So guys, here those ICT students know this is what we call a break. This is not an order block. This is a breaker right here, and here we have some fake order block, but price came in and mitigated this order block, the original order block. That's why here price never reacted, moving up, coming back to clear this liquidity, because this was just a breaker. IC students are familiar with that term. So as the SMC traders, we trade order block, but ICT students will trade the breaker. But for us, we shall follow our rules. We shall trade our order blocks. So here price came in and mitigated this lower order block, so I expect this price to move up, to come and clear this liquidity that was created when price was moving down. So with the DXY, guys, we shall wait for the DXY. If you are to take any position on the DXY, guy, we shall wait for the DXY to come back and drop in this range right here, because we see this range price has been playing much around it. We see here price came and retested, then it dropped, and then it came back and it was consolidating in this area. So I expect this price to come back here on this range, then we give it a push up. So whatever we are doing, guys, let's try to wait for DXY to reach in this range, on this red candle, before the momentum that broke the previous swing high. Even guys, I'm going to ask some questions about the live stream, so make sure that you stay active. Those that get the answers right, you know what happens. I won't talk much. So this is it, guys. Here, let's wait for price to drop in this range, then we take a buy position. So I think, guys, that's for the DXY. We shall wait for the DXY to drop here, then we buy it. So let's try analyzing the Euro USD and we see what Euro USD has for us, guys. Euro USD. Let's analyze the Euro USD. So guys, this is for the Euro USD. Let's try analyzing and we see. So currently we saw the DXY is buying, so we expect that the Euro USD to sell. So currently we are waiting for the DXY to give a move, a pullback. Price is moving, so we are waiting a pullback, then we buy. So then it applies the same to the Euro USD. If it's buying, so we are waiting for a pullback so that we sell. You see some correlation, guys, here. So here we see price just swept this liquidity was created here when price was moving down. So I expect to sell Euro USD for a long period of time. So if we get a proper confirmation right here in this range, guys, we shall hold Euro USD up to this range down. So whatever we are doing, let's just wait for price to give a pullback in this range, then we shall sell it. Let me zoom in clearly so that you can see the range that I'm talking about. sorry, let me show you the range. Sorry guys, let me try to show you the range and you see what I'm talking about, guys. So guys, currently here, this is the range. We see the Euro USD is respecting this trend line, so I think it's trapping trend line traders. So I expect this price to come back to this original. Those that trade those that trade SMC, we know that we get this order block, the different candle before the momentum, so we get our sniper entries from that trend. So guys, and you currently see the Euro USD has already formed some pattern called the head and shoulder, but the head and shoulder pattern right here. So we expect this price to drop. So here I think it's trying to trap the trendline traders. So for us, we shall try buying from that trend, from selling from that trend. So guys, that's for the Euro USD. We shall wait for Euro USD to come back in this range, then we take some shots. So let's try analyzing the NZ USD and see what NZ USD has for us, guys. NZ USD, this is NZ USD. So guys, I gave this setup. So we took this setup on Friday. I gave this setup and we made some money. So currently I see this price is trying to give another chance right here, giving another opportunity. So if price comes and drops in this range, guys, we know we take the different candle before the momentum that breaks the previous swing high, and it happened on Euro USD. Euro USD broke the previous swing high, so we took some trades and made some money. So again, I'm waiting for this NZ USD to drop in this range, then I'll give it another shot. Get my point, guys? So whatever we are doing, let's try getting this different candle before the momentum move, so so that we can make some money. So let's proceed. I think that's for the NZ USD. We are waiting for a pullback in that trend, then we drive price right down here. So let's try analyzing the USD CHF and we see if USD CHF will correlate with the dollar. You see, guys, the same move that happened on the dollar is the same move happening on the USD CHF. So I think I'm confident that these pairs are going to buy. So we are waiting for the USD CHF to drop in this range, then we give it a shot for a buy. So guys, I think that's for today. And guys, you know what happens when you give because guys, I sometimes ask some questions. If you get them right, you know what happens, guys. Those that are in my Telegram group can tell. And if you haven't joined yet, guys, try joining because we're missing a lot. Thank you.